We're at the Thoroughbred Club in Del Mar for the horse races.
What's up, Vic?
What's up, Scott? How we doing?
Nothing much. You ready for the day?
Ready for the day. It's gonna be a long one. We're gonna win some money, you know? So we're looking forward to it. Things are gonna happen. And it's gonna be a good turnout. I don't know, bro. We'll go 65, maybe 67, you know? That's all we do, safe, bro, safe driving.
I mean, way different from that, you know, like I said, you guys ain't never seen something like this before. D-Tech 2.4.
That's funny.
What's going on, Straight Up Driven? Another day, but today we're mixing it up. We're at the Thoroughbred Club in Del Mar for the horse races. Straight Up Driven's second year with the horse race event. So next year, if you didn't get a chance, you haven't seen it, message us early. It's around the same time in July every year. Opening weekend here at Del Mar Horse Race Track. We drive the cars down. We have the celebrity VIP suites, food, drinks, everything. Just mixing it up, doing something different. A reason to get the cars out with the girlfriends and wives and have a good time. Everybody at this table is like very, very important. Wally's not here, but like all of these people are like billionaires, okay?
We're nice.
So guys, just so you know, Juan right there, all right? Juan is like mafioso boss, a lot of money. That guy right there, got like 86 cars. Every year he probably drives a different car, okay? Right there. So make sure you're gonna see him on an episode in the future. See his, try not to get the whole face. You gotta get that. First race bet is in. Italian, had to bet on Italiano. So hopefully it comes in. Anybody else that bet against me, I hope they lose. Italiano, all right? Y'all thought this was boring till the first race, huh? Everybody thought it was boring till the first race. I feel great. First race in the books, we won. We're off to a great start. He has to stand on a chair to be as tall as me. You see that?
Hey, this is my normal height. Don't look down. We're gonna spend some money on something that we have no idea what we're betting on.